Welcome to AVR Unlocked. Today we are presenting the Python S, the single version of the Python T. The Python S is a single conveyor belt that ensures product-friendly transport of potatoes during storing and can also serve as a picking table. It's an easy-to-use conveyor that can be placed anywhere within the crop handling line to guarantee a continuous potato flow. My colleague Christophe will show you around this machine.
The Python here behind me is a Python 89S. This is a single conveyor belt with a length of 9 meters and a bandwidth of 80 centimeters. You also have the Python 87 and the Python 8011. The 7 is a 7 meter conveyor and the 11 is an 11 meter conveyor. Now, what are the strong points of this Python S? Point 1, high capacity. The Python can transport up to 340 tons of product per hour, made possible by the 2.2 kilowatt drum motors, which are also adjustable in speed, and the cup shape of the belt. Now, besides high capacity, it's also important that the belt always runs in the center. This is made possible by the pivoting frame of the Python. So even when your conveyor is loaded unevenly, you can always have a center belt in the conveyor. Point 2, the Python should be easily adjustable in both height and position. The height adjustment is done through the wheel set with either a mechanical spindle that can adjust the height up and down, or as an option with a hydraulic hand pump to make it even more easy to change the height. Now, changing the position, really easy, just push it around. Or if you want to use a forklift, you have a central beam in the middle where you can just move in and then lift the Python in one go. Now, during storage, it can become really hectical, so that's why operating this Python has to be really easy, really simple. That's why we're using simple on and off button, speed regulator, and of course the emergency buttons. Really simple, really easy. Point 3, maybe the most important feature of a conveyor, is that it has to bring product from point A to point B in the fastest but also the most product-friendly way. This means that we have to make sure that the drop height is reduced to a minimum. This is by the height adjustment, which we have already talked about. And we have also foreseen rubber coverings on the in-feed for a soft landing, and also these rubber flaps so that we don't have any loss of potatoes during the transportation. Point 4, the Python is always part of a crop handling line. That means it has to be perfectly integrated with that crop handling line, both mechanically and electrically. Mechanically, we foresee coupling points on both the output and the input side, and electrically we foresee line control, which allows for the line to stop and start in a controlled manner, so we have no product accumulation or product loss. Python S can also be equipped with LED lighting. This allows for manual sorting during storage.
In summary, this Python is the ideal machine to transport your potatoes from point A to B in the best conditions.